ත්‍රස්තවාදයෙන් සල්ලි අරගෙන මේ මිනිසුන්ගේ සල්ලි වලට වහල් වෙලා වැඩ කරන channel එකක් එංගලන්තේ තියෙන ඒකට විරුද්ධව නැගී සිටින්න අපි කොහොම සිංහල වශයෙන් එක් වෙලා ඉන්නවා අද දවසේ. Channel 4!
This is a protest waged by the Sri Lankan community in Britain against the biased reporting of Channel 4 portraying Sri Lanka as a killing field. All of us know the 30 years of bloody war was completed for the benefit of all ethnicities in Sri Lanka, Sinhala, Tamil, Muslim, whatever the language you speak. It's a peaceful country and it was for the benefit of everybody this war was fought. But the Channel 4 maliciously betraying the national image has come out with this malicious report which is not helping the reconciliation process. We want peace, not war in Sri Lanka, and we are very positive that the communities will come in together.